Vegan recipes for beginners. More and more people are embracing a vegan lifestyle due to various reasons like health benefits, environmental concerns, and animal welfare. However, transitioning to a vegan diet can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. The good news is that there are plenty of delicious and easy to make vegan recipes available that can help newcomers start their vegan journey with confidence. One of the easiest ways to start your vegan journey is by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Simple recipes like stir-fried vegetables, bean burritos, and vegetable curry are great options. These recipes are not only packed with nutrients, but also burst with flavor, making them an excellent choice for anyone new to vegan cooking. Another great option for beginners is to explore the world of vegan soups and stews. These recipes are usually simple, comforting, and can be customized to your liking. Lentil soup, vegetable stew, and black bean chili are just a few examples of hearty and filling vegan dishes that can be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of their dietary preferences. Salads are also a fantastic choice for those looking to transition to a vegan lifestyle. The key is to create salads that are both satisfying and exciting. Adding a variety of vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and dressings can transform a simple salad into a flavorful and filling meal. Quinoa and kale salad with roasted vegetables, chickpea salad with tahini dressing, and mango avocado salad are just a few salad ideas that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide essential nutrients. One of the common misconceptions about veganism is that it lacks variety and indulgence. However, vegan baking can prove otherwise. There are plenty of delicious vegan dessert recipes that are easy to make and require minimal ingredients. For example, black bean brownies, banana bread, and vegan chocolate chip cookies are mouth-watering treats that can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your vegan principles. Smoothies and juices are also an excellent way for beginners to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet. These beverages are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for boosting your overall health. Green smoothies, mixed berry smoothies, and pineapple mango juice are just a few examples of refreshing and nutritious vegan drinks that can be enjoyed any time of the day. When it comes to breakfast options, vegans have an array of choices to explore. Overnight oats, tofu scramble, and vegan pancakes are popular breakfast dishes that are both delicious and filling. These recipes can be easily customized with various toppings, flavors, and add-ins to suit your preferences. Finally, it's important to highlight the importance of meal planning and exploring new recipes as a beginner. Joining online vegan communities and following vegan food blogs can provide a wealth of inspiration and support. Trying out different recipes, experimenting with different ingredients, and gradually building a repertoire of go-to vegan dishes will make the transition to a vegan lifestyle much easier and enjoyable. In conclusion, embarking on a vegan journey as a beginner doesn't have to be daunting. With an abundance of vegan recipes available, there are plenty of options for delicious, nutritious, and easy-to-make meals. By incorporating more plant-based dishes, salads, soups, desserts, smoothies, and exploring new breakfast options, beginners can enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures while following a vegan lifestyle. The key is to embrace the process, experiment with different recipes, and share the journey with like-minded individuals for support and inspiration. I hope this information on vegan recipes for beginners was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on the vegan lifestyle, vegan recipes, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.